Hello students, good morning. So today we are going to solve exercise 1.9 of chapter number 1 large numbers. Let's start with sum number 1. Anand brought 3 flats for rupees 25 lakh 73,000, rupees 32 lakh 29,500 and rupees 45 lakh 25,800 respectively. How much did he pay in all to buy the 3 flats? Students, if such words such as total, sum, all, more, increase, altogether, if these words are given in word problem, it means the sum is of addition. And if words such as left, less, decrease, how much more, difference, if these words are given in the sum, it means the sum is of subtraction. Apart from that, you have to understand the meaning of the word problem. Here, what all is given, it means the sum is of addition. We will add the sum to find the total cost or total amount paid by Anand to buy all the 3 flats. Let's start writing the statements. Cost of first flat is equal to 25 lakh 73,000. Cost of second flat is equal to 32 lakh 29,500 and cost of third flat is equal to 45 lakh 25,800. We will add the sum to find the total cost. So here the total cost paid by Anand is 1 crore 3 lakh 28,300. Now let's move to second question. Sukanya has a deposit of rupees 71 lakh 52,840 in bank A, rupees 54 lakh 63,936 in bank B, and rupees 37 lakh 95,000 in bank C. What is our total deposit? Here also what total is given, it means we have to add all the numbers to find her total deposits. Let's start writing the statement. Amount deposit in bank A is 71 lakh 52,840. Amount deposit in bank B 54 lakh 63,936. Amount deposit in bank C is 37 lakh 95,000. We will add all the amount to find the total amount deposited in all the 3 banks. So Sukanya's total deposit is 1 crore 64 lakh 11,776. Third question. The population of a city is 8 lakh 54,867. The number of educated people is 4 lakh 23,925. Find the number of the uneducated people. Here, no such words are given which can indicate or which can suggest us if the sum is of addition or subtraction. So, we will try to understand the sentence. Here, total population of a city is given and number of educated people is given. We have to find the number of uneducated people. How we will find? We will subtract the number of educated people from the total population. So let's start solving the sum. Total population in the city is 8 lakh 54,867. Number of educated people is 4 lakh 23,925. We will subtract both the numbers and will get number of uneducated people. So there are 4 lakh 30,942 uneducated people in the city. Now let's move to fourth question. What must be added to 3 crore 54 lakh 72,460 to get 6 crore 54 lakh 77,188? Here total of 2 number is given and 1 number is given. We have to find the another number. So what we will do? We will subtract the answer from the given number. It means we will subtract 6 crore 54 lakh 77,188 and 3 crore 54 lakh 72,460. So my answer is 3 crore 4,728. So 3 crore 4,728 should be added to 3 crore 54 lakh 72,460 to get 6 crore 54 lakh 77,188. Now last sum. By how much is 94 lakh 2,143 greater than 83 lakh 42,297? Here also 94 lakh 2,143 is given, and we have to find by how much number is this greater than by 83 lakh 42,297. So we need to find the difference of both the number to get the answer. So we will subtract both the numbers. So my answer is 10,59,846. This is so 94 lakh 2,143 is greater than 83 lakh 42,297 by 10 lakh 59,846. So that's all for today.